Several of you have expressed interest in the robot. I'm going to add it a little more. This one, I named it Clippard, but it's just a Husqvarna 115H. It's actually a discontinued model, but if you'd like to see a replacement model of that in my Amazon store, I highly recommend it, but don't think these things are just set and they never have to be handled. While I was on vacation, about day 4, he decided to jump the perimeter wire. I have the perimeter wire type, and my perimeter wire runs around this bed. So I'll kind of show you here with my finger, just to the outside. And what he'd done is what I'm mimicking here. I actually made it do it. It jumped over the perimeter wire, so it thinks it got lifted. So just to give you an idea of what it takes to reset it, it's nothing to it. You're going to pull it back. So get it back in range. You're going to open the little door. And then, I know you can't hardly see that, and I'm sorry, but that's okay. You have a PIN number or a password. So I'm going to enter it. And it's going to say lifted. You simply say okay. And then you hit start. And it goes back to schedule. It's going to take right back off and start mowing. So as you can see, we've had a couple of good storms. The yard is in really good shape, better than it's ever been since I lived here. So this is the first year using the Automower out here. And it just trims that little bit and it feeds the grass. So it's just a great thing. But I'm not going to lie to anybody and tell you, hey, you can just put this in your yard and you'll never have to worry about it again. That's just not true. It's not hard to maintain. It's not hard to get it to reset. But there are going to be breaks in the wire. Either you're going to cut them, a squirrel's going to bury a nut, whatever. I have videos that show you there's a little device to track down where it's broke at. Nothing to it, but it does require a few minutes. And if you're elderly and can't get on your knees or something, you'll have to hire somebody. But for anybody that can get down there for 15 or 20 minutes, make a quick splice, it's really easy. I look forward to hearing from you. Hope everybody enjoyed this, got a little bit out of it. Please like and comment. I love making this content, but if it's not useful, why do it? So until the next video, y'all take care.